everyone and welcome once again to Rizal Delightful Lessons, and today we have a new appreciation video because kanina ay natanggap na ulit namin yung provision, yung mga supplies galing sa ating City Government of Manila, headed of course by our Yorme, Honorable Isko Moreno. So meron tayo ulit natanggap kanina. Of course, with the receipt of Vice Mayor Hani Lecuna from the City of Manila. So eto yung natanggap namin kanina. We have received the following is another gadget na natanggap namin from the Manila City Government, Bagong Maynila. So here, lungsod ng Maynila, Pilipinas, nakalagay dyan. And this is a battery-free pen tablet. So, battery-free pen tablet, dyan po nakalagay. And Manila City Government graphic tablet. So, nung una ay we receive a laptop po namin. But now, we receive this graphic tablet ulit na pwede namin magamit in our online classes. Of course, since we have this pandemic school year and napakalaking bagay itong mga naibibigay po sa amin on behalf of the teaching force of Manila, DepEd Manila. So, dito, it says here, pressure levels 8192. Then, meron tayong sample rate of 200 per second, nakalagay dyan. Then, active area, then active height, no CD driver required. So ito ay, kanina nakita nyo na, ito ay battery-free pen tablet. Then, we also have here the specifications, nakalagay po dyan. As you can see there, the specification of this tablet. So, yan, yung ano niya. Alright, so tignan natin, i-unbox na natin para kung ano yung itsura niya sa loob. So, this is, of course, thank you very much sa initiative of Mayor Isko and Honorable Liani Lapina and the rest of the members of the official dome of the City of Manila. So, eto, of course, tignan natin yung nilalaman niya. So, excited na ako. So, pwede natin magamit ulit sa ating online classes. So, tignan natin kung ano yung laman. So, we need to be very careful. So, eto yung next na laman niya. So, eto, we need to get this one. Alright. So, eto yung kapag nabuksan na siya, eto na yung laman dun sa loob. Then, we have here. Wow! So, ano talaga yung packaging niya, napaka-safe. Meron siyang mga ganito siya. So, pwede natin tanggalin muna to para tignan natin kung ano nga ba yung laman nito. Wow! Here! So, eto yung laman niya, oh. So, unahin muna natin yung pinaka, ano niya. Alright, so of course, meron pa rin siyang plastic cover dito. Talagang secured itong gadget natin. Medyo magaan naman siya. Okay. So, of course, meron tayong mga nakikitang ganito na sa ano. Pero, of course, again, wow! Oh, eto yung itsura niya, oh. We have here. So, tatanggalin niya daw. Tear off here. So, pag tanggalin itong ano niya. Yan, eto meron siyang E at saka B. Control. Then yan, meron yung logo ng ating yung seal. Lungsod ng Maynila, Pilipinas. So, of course, we really appreciate this supply talaga. Then, Manila City Government, exclusively talaga ginawa for us here in Manila. Wow, eto yung unang laman niya. Then, let's have, ano pa yung mga laman nito? Eto. So, we have here also the, okay, yung mga cord niya. So, eto magagamit natin yan para i-connect dito sa ating so, hindi natin kailangan yung battery. So, we will connect through our laptop, eto, para magamit natin siya. Then, we also have here, of course, yung cord niya. Then, eto yung stylus niya. Eto, yung gagamitin natin for us. So basically, for example, since I am teaching English, maybe I can write a sentence here and I can use this one. For example, if I will ask my students to underline and circle if they will to identify, for example, the subject and the predicate in a sentence, so pwede natin i-connect to sa laptop, then makikita nila talaga. Also with the mathematics teachers, napakaganda itong gadget na ito because at least they can compute, then our learners can better understand our discussion since naka-online nga tayo. So, pwede natin magamit. In any subject, we can use this one. So, thank you very much sa ating butihing Yorme at sa kanyang mga sa kanyang government na napaka-ganda po ang binigay ninyo po sa amin. We really appreciate so much. Hindi kami pinapabayaan. So, they are giving us supplies na pwede naming magamit sa aming online classes. Alright, so meron pa dito. Ito. So ito yung pinaka-ano ng stylus. For example, siguro kapag na ano na to, pwede nating palitan. So meron pa siya provision na ganyan to. So tignan natin yung laman niya dun sa loob. So I hope yung mga other teachers, they have already received. And of course, going to school, we need to be mindful with the safety protocol. So ito yung ano niya, pwede nating magamit. So ito yung other spare parts ng ating stylus. So ito. Alright, so maraming pwede nating magamit pa. Ano pa itong isa dito? Then here, meron pa eto. So, we can use this one as, yan. So, eto, naka-separate siya kanina, and then we can put it here. Then, for example, if we will not use our stylus, pwede natin ilagay dito, for example, like this. Pwede yan, ilagay mo dyan. Then, pwede mong ilagay muna dyan if ever na hindi mo pa siya gagamitin. Or, you can put it this way para mas mabilis mong makuha yung stylo. Yan, ang ganda, yan. Kung hindi mo muna gagamitin. Or, kung ano naman, pwede mo siyang ilagay na ganyan siya. Ganda. Wow, meron na naman tayong gagamitin. So, here, thank you very much, Yorme, for this provision. Thank you again. Thank you very much, Yorme, for giving us this gadget. Our new gadget for this school year. And it's a Christmas and a New Year gift to us teachers here at Department of Education, SDO Manila. So, ito po ang aming battery-free pen tablet. And it's their graphic tablet. So, thank you very much, Yorme. Thank you.